Hey guys, so today I got a new tool to try out, and I'm gonna use my Maverick to test it out. All right, so let's see what we have in the box today. This is by Vevor, and this has actually been my go-to budget tool brand. You can get it online at Amazon. It's kind of like a Harbor Freight type stuff that you could get on Amazon. Handheld lithium electric cleaning machine. All right, it's a cleaning machine. Let's see what's in the box. Okay, comes with this this mesh bag for you to hold your accessories. Looks like nozzle here. Let's put that aside for now. Some tubing, your pressure washer manual. So if this pressure washer works well, then I don't think I need to use my big one anymore, because that one's kind of a pain in the butt to take in and out. Looks like some soap, foam. It's a foam pot. So if you want to foam up and wash your car, this could be very handy. All right, nice big 4-amp battery. 20 volt, so it's nice and big, so it should last me a decent amount of time. Charger. Another attachment. There's that first attachment. We'll try the different attachments, but I think this is going to be my main one that I'll use, because it looks like you could do different types of settings all with this one attachment, so that's pretty cool. Let's see what this one is. All right, so this is kind of like a sideways type thing. Looks like. See that? It's really sharp, or you spread it out. All right, so here's an extension. That's what it looks like. Filter. If you want to get water from a bucket or something, you don't want the dirty water to get into your sprayer. And I think this is probably an attachment maybe for the filter, like that. Here's the main thing. All right. So if this thing works out well, gosh, I won't need to use my big one anymore. All right, so this is the hose where you would attach the water line. And this would go right there. So look at that, that's pretty compact. I assume this goes in here. You lock it like that. Okay, so let's give it a shot. Let's take it out and test it out. All right, so to wash my car, I really don't want to take out this big high pressure sprayer, because it's big and bulky, and it's a little too powerful actually. I'm afraid it'll damage the paint. So I think to wash my car, this is going to be a lot easier, and it's going to be a lot more gentle on my car. So let's give it a shot. All right, one nice thing that you don't need to have a water hose near you. You could just use a water bucket for this guy. So I'm gonna put that in there and use the Velcro and just keep the tube in the water like this. First, let's test out the water pressure spray. I'm gonna just spray my driveway first. Battery goes in. Okay, I think that's it. So let's try spraying the driveway. All right, you gotta prime it to get in the water through the tubes. open setting. Let's try it on the tighter setting. Not bad as a light duty water pressure. Not bad. Okay, so this has all these different adjustments for when I wash my car. So I'm going to go 15 degrees, see what that looks like. And that looks like the right thing for my car. So first, let's try doing soap. Unfortunately, I only have some hand foaming soap, so I don't know how well this will work, but we'll give it a shot. Actually, we need to hose down the car first, and then we'll give it a shot with the soap. Alright, so let's try using that the soap dispenser. I only got some hand foaming soap. Hopefully that'll work. I'm supposed to use car foaming soap. Alright, there's an adjuster here. Let's start with the mid and see how that goes. That's actually not bad at all. That wasn't too bad at all, and I think it's the right amount of pressure for the car so you don't damage your paint. So I'm going to dry it off and give it a look. I reviewed this blower in a separate video. You could click the link up there, but I'm just going to get it out the water in the cracks. Well, I think that's it. I think that was a pretty easy car wash, using this pretty lightweight pressure washer. Did a pretty good job. Everything fits in this little bag, put it away. That's pretty good. I like it. Okay, so before I put this away, I just want to make one recommendation to you guys before you use it, to try to get some water in this tube so that it primes a lot easier. You can see the tube is long, so get a little bit of water in the hose, and run it down the hose, and it'll prime a lot easier. And another thing I see myself doing in the future is, because this is a nice quick connect, I think I'm going to design a quick connect for this side too, to go in straight into a water hose. So if I want to have the option of using a bucket or a water hose, I could do either. So that's something I'm going to do in the future. So for now, this is going to store really nicely, and it's not going to take up a lot of space, and I got a lot of junk.